Apple Cash is Apple's digital payment service that allows you to send, receive, and store money directly on your iPhone or iPad. Before you can start using Apple Cash, you need to link a bank account. To link your bank account to Apple Cash, you need to meet several requirements. You'll need an iPhone or iPad running iOS 11.2 or later, an Apple ID signed into iCloud with two-factor authentication enabled, a US bank account, a valid social security number, and you must be at least 18 years old. The linking process starts by opening the Wallet app on your iPhone or iPad. This is where all your Apple Pay cards and Apple Cash are stored. Next, tap on your Apple Cash card within the Wallet app. You'll see the Add Money interface where you can choose to add funds from your bank account. Tap Add Bank Account, and you'll have two options for entering your bank information. You can manually enter your routing and account numbers, which you can find on a check or bank statement, or use your bank's mobile app if it supports direct integration. Apple Cash offers three verification methods for your bank account. Instant verification provides real-time verification through banking partnerships. Micro deposits involve small amounts being sent to your account that you'll need to confirm. Bank app integration allows direct verification through supported banking applications. Instant verification is the fastest method, typically completing within minutes, while micro deposits can take 1 to 3 business days to appear in your account. Once your bank account is linked, you have two transfer options for moving money to and from your Apple Cash account. Apple Cash has daily transfer limits to ensure security. You can transfer up to $10,000 per day for person-to-person payments and maintain up to $20,000 in your Apple Cash balance. Apple Cash prioritizes your security with multiple layers of protection. All transactions use end-to-end encryption, and 98% of transactions are secured with biometric authentication like Face ID or Touch ID. Apple takes privacy seriously. Unlike many payment services, Apple doesn't store your transaction details on its servers, and advanced machine learning algorithms continuously monitor for suspicious activity to protect your account.